Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use MetaMask wallet on your PC. First, you'll need to install the MetaMask browser extension. This acts as your gateway to the decentralized web, letting you interact with various blockchain applications directly from your browser. It's a crucial tool for managing your digital assets like Ethereum and other tokens. We'll walk through the simple steps to get it set up and ready for use. Once the extension is installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser. You'll see an option to get started. Choose to create a new wallet. The next step involves setting a strong, unique password. Remember, this password protects your wallet on your current device. Most importantly, you'll receive a secret recovery phrase. Write this down and store it in a very safe place, as it's the only way to restore your wallet if you lose access.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Quick recommendation, on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough, they even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your wallet created, the next step is to add some funds. You can deposit Ethereum or any other compatible token. To do this, simply copy your unique public wallet address, which you can find at the top of the MetaMask interface. Then, use a cryptocurrency exchange or another existing wallet to send your desired assets to this address. It usually takes just a few minutes for the transaction to confirm. Now that your wallet is funded, you're ready to explore the world of decentralized applications. When you visit a DApp, you'll typically see a Connect Wallet button. Click this and select MetaMask. Your wallet will then prompt you to approve the connection. Once connected, you can interact with the DApp's features, like swapping tokens or buying NFTs, by approving each transaction within your MetaMask extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.